Well, to start off, we might have a lot of topics related to the society and the government, but today we are here going to purely focus on the role and the relationship between the government and its people, where it plays the role of building the residents for the future.
Our society is defined in the way to crush us. That's why, right from our young age, in our school, we are taught how not to be crushed or how to save ourselves when you are in the situation of being crushed. Instead, the government can focus on training and nurturing the future of the people by teaching or training them how not to get into that situation in the first place.
People get caught up in unnecessary trouble when they do something which they never wanted to do in the first place. So they do it out of compulsion and with no interest and would result in the lack of caring for the job and to do a lot of trouble afterwards. Instead of going through all of this, there should be a system which teaches people right from the young age to follow their dreams and achieve the impossible.
The government should uplift you towards your dreams and not snatch your dream from you and use you for a labor and destroy you as a person. The government plays a major role in building a person and molding his or her future because the government is the one which provides us with structured syllabus as education. It provides us with certain rules and regulations to be followed, which we pick up and implement and wherever we go. So for those who are thinking about what the government has to do in molding a person and making him or her ready for the future, there is your reason.
On the other hand, as a society, we are just making it very difficult for the government to do its job by creating problems out of traditions and rituals and other stuff. Following traditions is not a wrong thing, but making a fuss out of it, creating nuisance about it, is what makes it hard and wrong. The society is just crippled with rigged culture and traditions. It is the government that gives you opportunity to establish such thoughts and experience, but we as a community destroy it and make it harder. That's where the government also takes a misstep where looking out for its people they get too involved and immersed in the situation, which now is a very big baggage to everyone.
The most common thing that comes to everyone's mind when people say government is this trending yet powerful word called corruption. When anyone out of a circle comes in and questions us about the quality of lifestyle we lead here, or why it is so hard for us to raise our voice to give life to the truth, the lazy minds of the people have very prepared and ready answered where they put all the blame of the government and just say that the government is corrupted. There's nothing to be done or can be done, and walk away as if they meant nothing. Remember, each and every time we blame someone else for something that we couldn't do, we are not escaping out of the situation by acting smart. We are just shaming our motherland, our government, and our lifestyle. And it's our quality to some unknown people who, to the other side, boast about theirs.
Think about it. Isn't that just humiliating and pitiful at the same time? Why not stand up to the problem and be the one to start the process of finding a solution? What if the government is corrupted? You need a better society to understand and evolve in. As a student, as the future, we all have the power in our hands to change the place for a better future. We have the ability in us to do what the government couldn't and triumph the government. They will definitely support us in one way or the other if they see that we are striving for the right purpose.
Corruption lives in everything. Everything in this world is corrupted. It's in our hands and eyes. It's our choices whether to see it as negativity and just trash talk about it and leave, or see the good that can be done and take that first step that could change our society into a whole new good place.
Values are supposed to elevate the human spirit and not to chain it. We as a society are supposed to embrace those values and live by it and not exploit it in any negative or disrespectful way. Society is formed by the government and the government is formed by society. This is a bidirectional link. If one falls, so does the other. There might be war between the government and the society, and if there is, in the end, the society always wins because there are no rules here. There are only hearts that unites people together as one.